Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you all, my amazing viewers? Wherever you live, I hope you're good. I hope you're keeping safe. Okay, so I just want to show you how I make my sweet and sticky chicken wings. I used to buy from the supermarket, but I wished I, started making my own sweet and sticky chicken wings long time ago, because this came out so different, and the fact that I knew what was going in made it so amazing. All right, let's get started with the ingredients. Over here, I've got my chicken wings washed and pat dried with paper towel. Here I've got my lemon juice. I used just one lemon. The lemon juice is to lighten up the onion because I don't want it to be too sticky. Here I've got the grated garlic and ginger. This is totally optional. You can choose to skip this one. I love the taste, And then I've got about 6 tablespoons of honey. Yeah, that's where we're gonna get our sweetness from. And then I've got my chicken cube. You can use any chicken cube of your choice. And here I've got my cayenne pepper. I used about 1 tablespoon because I wanted it spicy. And I've got white pepper as well. Turmeric. All of these spices you can just choose, to use them according to your taste. I've got my aromat, another chicken seasoning, and I've got salt and olive oil. I'm gonna be using the olive oil to spray, the chicken. Yeah, so let's start, First, I'm going to mix my seasonings together. I usually like to blend my seasonings together using a spoon. So what I'm going to do is take, like half a teaspoon from some of them and a teaspoon from the pepper, and blend them together, and the chicken cube as well in this bowl. And when I'm done, I'm going to pour the blended seasoning into the chicken, spread the chicken with olive oil, and then use my hand to, do the massage. here is my chicken now, coated with the olive oil and seasonings, and I'm just going to arrange them on the baking tray. And I have preheated my oven to 220 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to cover the chicken with foil. I always do that at least for the first 40 minutes, because I don't like it to dry out. So I usually cover with foil, and it's going into the oven for 40 minutes, and I'll bring it back out after 40 minutes and we will see how it looks like. Another thing I love to do is to pierce, holes in the foil to allow steam go out while it is baking in the oven. So now it's going into the oven, and it's going to be there for 40 minutes. While that is going on, I'm going to prepare the sweet sauce for the chicken. I'm using honey, cayenne pepper. The lemon juice is to make it light, because if you rub it on the chicken this way, it's just going to be so sticky. I don't like it too sticky, so instead of water I choose to use lemon juice, because lemon, oh my goodness, you need to start using lemon in many dishes that you cook, because it just had this amazing taste to many dishes. So I use lemon a lot. And the ginger and garlic is optional, but I tell you, if you use this, oh my goodness, whoo, it's so yummy. Here is my sauce ready, not too thick. I really like the consistency. Again, the choice is yours. You can skip the lemon if you want it to be very thick. .40 minutes and the chicken is out from the oven. This is exactly how it looks like. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to rub the sweet and sticky sauce all over the chicken. I'm gonna flip it to the other side as well and just rub the sauce all over it, and it's going to go back into the oven for another 10 minutes. But this time I'm going to set the oven to the grill setting. Just allow it to bake for another 10 minutes. Okay, I have concluded, rubbing the sauce all over the chicken wings, both the front and the back of it, and it's going back into the oven for another 10 minutes on grill setting this time around. Okay, so my chicken wings was ready in about a total of 55 minutes, and here is the result. As of this point, it was still very hot, but of course I've got to grab one and have a taste. Oh, you can see how moist, golden brown. I mean, oh my goodness, I wonder why I have not always made my own sweet and sticky chicken wings, but from now on, buy 2 store-bought ones. Okay, so yeah, the end result, I really love it. Can you see this? Yummy, really, really yummy. Not too sugary because I used honey, of course, which is your natural, and not too sticky. Yeah, so yes, how I served it. Of course, myself and my family, we digged in. Yummy. We loved it. And I hope you try it out as well for your family. So, did you enjoy this video? Please leave me a comment. Like my video, you can share my videos, and also consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, so thank you very much. Until we meet again in another video. Bye from me.